Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to share with you these 7 must-do deals for Walgreens next week. So these are going to be deals in store. I do have another completely separate video I'm going to do for some great deals you can do online. So for this video, we will be using that 25% off coupon that you're going to get the current week. If you do that in-ad booster for the spend $25, get a 25% off of your next purchase coupon. So it did print out of the Catalina for me today, so I do have that available. So that is for in-store only. I tried to use it online and it kept saying that it wasn't eligible. So I'm going to be using that in store next week. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you take a second, hit that subscribe button for me and the notification bell. That way, when I post these great videos for you guys with all the savings, you guys will be notified. So every single deal that I found, all of the final cost is going to be under $1 per item, which I thought was amazing. We have a couple money makers in there as well. And it's only Thursday, so if you haven't been to Walgreens yet and you're still planning on going, get that 25% off coupon because there are some really hot deals that you can use it on next week. So let's go ahead and dive right into the deals. This one is the one I'm the most excited about. So Old Spice and Olay body washes are on sale 2 for $12 and get a $5 register reward when you buy 4. So this is the deal that I put together, and it has to be in store because of the Ibotta rebates. You can, of course, do this deal online if you wish. You just wouldn't get the Ibotta rebates back. So you're going to pick up 2 Olay for $12, 2 Old Spice for $12. Then I got a 4 off of 2 Olay digital coupon and a 4 off of 2 Old Spice digital coupon. The 25% off is going to come off. I'm assuming it's going to come off of the total, which would be $24. So that would be $6. Then you're going to pay the $10 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back for 2. For the Old Spice, it does have to be the ultra smooth type. It can't be any of the other versions. That's the only one that is working on the Ibotta rebate. So that'll give you back $3 as well. And you're going to get a $5 register reward from doing the deal. So right there is $8 back. So final cost is going to be $2 for all 4 or 50 cents each, which is such an amazing deal. I haven't seen Olay body wash for 50 cents in months and months and months. So super excited to share this deal with you guys. Make sure you check your accounts. I got those high value Olay and Old Spice digitals this week. So check your accounts now. There are some booster coupons for next week as well. There is a spend 20, get 5,000 point digital booster. So that may stack with this as well. The paper versions, if you have one that printed at the Catalina as well, that one is stacking with the 25% off coupon, which is amazing. So I'm assuming that one will stack as well. That digital booster I have that I'm showing in my online deals. The next deal is AJAX laundry detergent on sale for just 99 cents. Same with the Palmolive. Then the 25% off is going to come off, so your final cost is just 74 cents for a 40-ounce jug of laundry detergent, which I think is a great, great deal. General Mills cereal is going to be on sale for $1.88. So Walgreens is definitely the place to go if you want to stock up on any cereal or Nature Valley, Fiber One bars, things like that. CVS next week, it's going to be $1.99. So a little bit of extra savings here for you. And using that 25% off coupon makes it even better. If you have the $1 off 2 coupon from the $3.29 Smart Source insert, make sure you use that. Your final cost, you'll pay $1.82 for 2 boxes of cereal, or just 91 cents per box of cereal, which is so crazy. PERSIL laundry detergent, amazing deal as well. So buy one, you're going to get $2 back in points. In the 4-5 Retail Me Not, there were $2 off coupons for the liquid and a separate $2 off coupon for the PERSIL discs. So you can pick up either one. If you want to do the deal twice and pick up one of each, of course, you can do that as well. So the 25% is going to come off, which is about $1.49. You'll pay $2.50, get back 2,000 points. So final cost is just 50 cents. And I know a lot of people really do love PERSIL, so I thought that would be an amazing deal to share with you all for next week. Colgate. So this is on the Optic White. We had some great deals for the current week. I did some today in my Walgreens haul. If you haven't seen that, I will have it linked in the description box and at the end of the video, so you can just click on it and it'll take you right to that video. So the Optic White for next week is buy 2, get 4,000 points back. And they're on sale for just $2.99. So the 25% again is going to come off. It'll be about $1.49. There is a $1 off 1 Colgate digital coupon from the current week that we got. So if you haven't used it, if you don't use it the current week, you can use it next week. Then you'll pay just $3.48, get back 4,000 points, which is the equivalent to $4. So final cost is completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. If you also got a $1 off coupon for the Colgate from the 4 or 5 inserts, or if you print one from Colgate.com, that would make it a $1.52 moneymaker, which is an even better deal. I still have to figure out where I'm going to get a new printer. I'll probably look on Amazon so I can start getting those printable coupons as well. So this one I'm really excited about. I haven't tried the Colgate Optic White Renewal yet. It's their newest product that came out, I feel like a couple months ago, but it's super expensive and we haven't had very many good deals. So as a couponer, I always wait until I can get it for a good price point before I'm able to try the new products. So this is on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $6 register reward. So picking up 2 at $6.99 each, there is a $3 digital coupon. It's still available. I just clipped mine today. So make sure you stop, check your accounts, and clip that coupon now. That way it doesn't disappear. The 25% will come off, will be about another $3.49. You'll be left to pay $7.48 out of pocket, get back a $6 register reward. So final cost is just $1.48 for both, or 74 cents each. So I'm really excited about that. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you've tried the Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste yet. Let me know what you think about it, if it's something super great or if it really whitens your teeth a lot more. I'm not really sure. So drop a comment, let me know. I'm really excited to try that product for such a great price point. L'Oreal Cosmetics are on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 register reward, and there are $2 digital coupons. So again, make sure you clip those to your card. A lot of digital coupons disappear if a certain number of people clip them and send them to your card. So you want to make sure they don't disappear on you. So one thing you can do is pick up one of these single eyeshadows. They are $5.99. That is pretty much the cheapest product on the L'Oreal cosmetic line. Then you can pick up one of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Lip Colors, which are my favorite. There is a cheaper lipstick you can buy. I'm going to get the Infallible because that's something I'm definitely going to use, and I want to make sure that I'm getting something that I like. So those are $7.99. You're going to use a $2 off L'Oreal Eye Digital and a $2 L'Oreal Lip Digital. The 25% will come off, will be about $3.49. You'll be left to pay $6.48. Then you're going to get back that $5 register reward. So final cost is just 74 cents each, which is such a great, great deal. And these, of course, are going to track towards Walgreens Beauty. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens, every $50 in beauty products you purchase, you will get an additional 5,000 points back. So that is everything for the in-store deals. All of these were less than $1 each, which I thought was amazing, amazing deals. A lot of essential deals, and of course, some nice deals for us with these cosmetics. If you have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. I will be doing the online deals tomorrow, as well as the CVS must-do deals. If you haven't entered my giveaway, make sure you take a second now. Head over to that CVS haul video from this week. Enter my giveaway. I will be posting the winner tomorrow in my CVS online only deals video. So I will make sure I get that posted. So if you have that notification bell clicked, you will be notified and you can double check and see if you are the lucky winner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.